Hi, my name is Tony. I am from Home Pros Guru. I want to show you how to prevent the outside lights from getting burned. Normally, I used to buy lots of lights because they will always getting burned. So I'm going to show you how you can prevent this. When I started doing this, I was expending a lot of money buying lights, outdoor lights, and now I don't have to buy them. Like, it's been 9 months since I replaced anyone. Okay, this is the secret. Here on the socket, you can place silicone. Add silicone right here on every light, every single light, and the water will never get through. Sorry. So this is how you can prevent the light from getting burned. I started doing this 9 months ago, and I haven't bought the very first light after that. So it's critical that you add silicone here, and the heat will not affect this because the silicone can resist heat too. So do that, and you will never have to it's gonna take good time for you to have to buy a light ever again. These are very expensive. So this is how you can do it. This is Tony for Home Pros Guru. Please share our videos and become a member of our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.